Hello friends, today we are going to learn the series expansion. Okay, we are going to find the expansion of 1 by 1 minus x, and we can find 1 by 1 plus x, and we can find y e power raised to x, and we can find what is sine x, and we can find what is the series of cos x. Okay, these are really simple, but we know there are some formulas that is going to help us to find this series expansion of all these functions. Okay, so we need to remember what is a Taylor theorem. We are going to make use of Taylor's theorem. Taylor's theorem. What is Taylor's theorem? But Taylor's series of expansion, it tells that if a function is given to us f of x, then that will be at x is equal to a, the series expansion will be at this one, then f prime of a by 1 factorial into x minus a power raised to 1. This will be plus f, but the function is differentiated second times at x is equal to a by 2 factorial into x minus a power raised to 2, and it keep on going like this. Okay, now from this Taylor's theorem we have to derive what is Maclaurian theorem. Maclaurian theorem, series expansion. Okay, Maclaurian series expansion. What is this Maclaurian series expansion? Here you need to put, instead of x equal to a, we need to put x is equal to 0. Okay, so f of x will be is equal to, instead of a we are going to replace by 0, so plus f prime of 0 by 1 factorial into x minus 0, right? X minus 0 is equal to x, so x power raised to 1. So f differentiated second times at x equal to 0 by 2 factorial into x square plus dot dot dot. It keep on going like this. Okay, now this is the formula we need to remember now. Okay, this is the formula. So we are going to make use of this formula to find the expansion of 1 minus x. What is it? 1 minus x, sorry, 1 by 1 minus x, and 1 by 1 plus x, e power raised to x, sine x, and cos x. I am going to do for this one and this one, and you need to do the rest. That will be a task for you. Okay, let's go for that. Now what is our function exactly? Our function exactly is f of x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Okay, so now we can see that from this formula we need to find f of 0. So here instead of x we have to replace by 0. Again we need to differentiate this function one time, then you have to replace this x by 0. Again you have to differentiate this function second times and replace the x by 0. So we need to keep on doing like this. Then whatever the values we are going to get, we are going to replace it here. Okay, so we are going to get the answer. So let's check for that. So here f of x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. So if I'm going to put here x equal to 0, so here I'm going to get 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 0. So this will be 1. Okay, next a prime of x. So what is the differentiation of this function with respect to x once? This will be negative 1 by 1 minus x, and 1 minus x, the differentiation is negative 1. So this will be 1 by 1 minus x power raised to 2. Okay, this will be 2. Now you have to replace, what is this? You have to replace 1 by 1 minus x means 0 square. This is equal to x equal to 0. Okay, so we are going to get 1. So next f double prime of x. Again you differentiate this function with respect to x again second time. It means we are going to get minus 2 by 1 minus x cube, right? And 1 minus x, the differentiation of 1 minus x is equal to negative 1. So here we are going to get 2 by 1 minus x cube. Now you replace x equal to 0. So here you will get 2 by 1 minus 0 power cube. So this will be 2. Next f, what, thrice, you differentiate thrice. So you are going to get, what we are getting here is 2, negative 3, and negative 1 by 1 minus x power raised to 4. So here this will be nothing but, see, 1, 2, and 3, and minus minus is going to be plus. So 1 into 2 into 3, that will be 3 factorial, right? though this will be what, 1 minus 0 power raised to 4. This will be only 3 factorial. So we are going to keep on like this. Next, what happens is we are going to replace in this formula. So what is our f of x? F of x is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x. So this will be f of 0. What is f of 0? F of 0 is nothing but 1. So you replace this first term by 1. Okay, I am replacing here. Plus. Next, f prime of 0. What is this f prime of 0 at x equal to 0? Here it is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 factorial into x. Plus. Again, f double prime of 0. The value is 2. This will be 2 by 2 factorial into x square. Plus. Similarly, we can get here f triple prime of 0 by 3 factorial into x power raised to 3, right? So here we are getting 3 factorial by 3 factorial into x cube, and it will go on like this. So the final answer will be 1 by 1 minus x equal to 1 plus, what is this? If you are going to solve, this is nothing but 1. So 1 into x equal to x plus 2 by 2 factorial, that is nothing but 1. So I am not going to write here. So I am writing directly x square. Similarly, 3 factorial will cancel out each other. It will be x cube plus go on like this. So 1 minus x power raised to negative 1 will be 1 plus x square plus x cube. Okay, this is the answer. Similarly, we can go for 1 plus x power raised to negative 1. So here, how to do this? We know this formula, right? So what is this formula? 1 minus x negative 1 is equal to power raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot dot dot. So here I am going to replace this x by negative x. So negative of negative x, this will be negative 1. So 1 plus minus x power raised to 2 plus minus x power raised to 3 plus dot 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 dot. So this will be 1 plus x power raised to negative 1. This will be 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 5. It will go on like this. So this is the formula or a series of expansion of 1 plus x power raised to negative 1. So we are done with this two formula. Similarly, we can derive for this formula, this formula, this formula. This will be task for you. Okay. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.